Hello, just wanted to show you some features of this humidifier. It's great. It's very easy to turn on. There's this one knob. Turn it on, the light turns blue. As you can see, you can control the knob to what other strength of the mist you want to come out. That's on full blast. It comes up pretty high, as you can see. And then when the water level gets low, it will turn to red. This will turn to red. I'm going to turn it off. And you can see the water level in there, which is a good feature. Also, it's very easy to fill up. You just lift the top up, put it down. Very easy, very economical, and you can hear there's hardly any noise at all. Sleep like a baby. Excellent product. I would recommend it.